G'day guys, James here from Carbon Off-Road. Now today let's talk about this handy rope that you can get from us. Look, it's called a bridle rope or just an all-purpose multi-use rope. Now what makes this very unique and handy is that basically 4 meters long, 14-ton braking strain, which is really high. It's just a handy rope. So first of all, you can use it as a bridle rope, so link between two recovery points on your vehicle to equalize the load on the vehicle, so which it makes it a little bit nicer for the recovery. You can also, tow your mate out with it. Being 4 meters, it's short, it's easy to use. It's also a dual layered, similar to the kinetic rope. So if you can see inside here, there's actually the nylon rope inside there, and the outside is got a protective sheath over it. Now it's not flexible like a kinetic rope, but it's a very handy rope to have and easy to just put away. So it's something really good to put into your kit bag, and you'll find yourself using it more often than not. So even dragging a piece of firewood out. So handy thing to have. Monkey Fist, Carbon Off-Road, all-purpose rope, 14 ton. Thanks for watching guys, talk to you soon, cheers.